Hey people of YouTube, today we're covering the complete installation of the Hampton Bay Universal Ceiling Fan Light Kit. This is a really easy project and a great way to add functionality to your existing ceiling fan. Now if after the video you found it helpful, please click like and subscribe, and that'll help other people find it as well. We're going to take you through every step of the process, from unpacking to turning it on and everything in between, so stick with us and we'll get you through it. Now before we get started, just a couple of notes. You want to make sure that the electricity is turned off at the breaker box and at the wall switch. If you don't feel comfortable working around electricity, please consult with a licensed electrician. And one other note is this light kit requires your fan to have a blank switch cap. If your fan doesn't have a blank switch cap, the light kit's not going to be able to attach to the fan. So as you can see here, we've already unpacked the fan. We've opened up the manual to the parts page. We're just going to go over the parts to make sure we have everything before beginning, and that way we don't get stuck along the way. So first up, you'll have the light kit. The light kit cage comes pre-assembled, and we'll disassemble that to get started. You have 2 LED bulbs and a pull chain extension. That's it. So some tools you might need for this project. It's a Phillips head screwdriver. We like to have a long one and a short one on hand. You may need a flathead screwdriver. You'll need a wrench or a pair of pliers. You might need some wire cutters and strippers and some electrical tape. Of course, a ladder and a ceiling fan. So we have everything here. We're ready to begin. Let's do this. Begin by using a screwdriver to remove and save the screws holding the switch cap on the fan. If your fan has a light kit, you'll need to remove the light kit and then remove the switch cap from the existing light kit. Once the switch cap is removed, locate the 2 wires inside the fan's switch cup. They should be labeled with stickers that say Ford Light Kit Connection or equivalent statement. There will typically be a blue and a white wire, or a black and a white wire. To remove the cage from the light kit, you'll need to unscrew the finial and remove the hex nut from the base of the light kit. Remove the twist tie from the pull chain, and then unscrew the finial from the threaded post at the base of the light kit. Once the finial is removed, use a wrench or a set of pliers to unscrew the hex nut from the threaded post of the light kit. Save the hex nut. Once the hex nut is removed, you'll be able to remove the decorative cage from the light kit. Before attaching the switch cap to the light kit, you'll need to remove the hex nut and the threaded washer from the threaded post of the light kit. Simply unscrew the hex nut from the threaded post and gently pull the light kit wires through, and then remove the washer from the threaded post of the light kit. If the switch cap has a center plug in the center hole, you need to remove that before attaching it to the light kit. Simply press from inside to remove the plastic plug. Then route the wires through the bottom of the switch cap and gently pull the wires through until the switch cap meets the threaded post of the light kit. Thread the switch cap onto the threaded post and rotate until tight. Next, route the wires through the washer and replace the washer onto the threaded post. Then, route the wires through the hex nut and thread the hex nut onto the threaded post. Securely tighten the hex nut using a wrench or a set of pliers. Connect the light kit wires to the fan by connecting the black wire from the light kit to the black or blue wire from the fan and the white light kit wire to the white wire from the fan. Once the wire connections have been made, gently tuck the wires into the switch cap and switch cup of the fan. Align the screw holes of the switch cap with the screw holes in the switch cup of the fan. Secure the light kit to the fan using the screws that were removed and saved at the beginning of the installation. Make sure all of the screws are completely tightened before proceeding. Install the two included LED bulbs by screwing them into the light sockets. Next, route the light kit pull chain through the center hole of the decorative cage and place the decorative cage over the threaded post of the light kit. Secure the cage to the light kit using the hex nut that was removed earlier. Route the center chain through the hex nut and then thread the hex nut onto the threaded post. Use a wrench or a set of pliers to securely tighten that hex nut. Once the hex nut is tightened, route the center pull chain through the finial and thread the finial onto the threaded post of the light kit. Simply hand tighten this piece. Complete the installation by snapping the pull chain extension onto the end of the pull chain from the light kit. Turn the light on by pulling the pull chain. Turn it off by pulling the chain again. If the light is installed on a ceiling fan with a remote control, the pull chain must be pulled once to set it in the on position, and then the remote control will take over control of the light. Congratulations! The installation is now complete. Time to sit back and relax with a nice tall beverage and enjoy your handiwork. If you found this video illuminating and it brightened your day, or it shed some light on the installation process, and it was a shining example of an installation video, please click like and subscribe down below, and that'll help other people find it as well. And as we always say around here, keep it breezy.